Good morning, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. My name is Mark Cabrera.
And I am Alan
Abaca. And welcome to Pioneer Hangout. Kagagaling lang sa bakasyon, Alan. Kamusta
Oo.
bakasyon?
Okay naman. As usual, the rituals per se, nung Holy Thursday, all the way leading up to Easter Sunday.
Did
So,
you go
marami.
to any place to have a vacation o staycation lang tayo ngayon?
Staycation lang.
Usong
Or
uso
visita iglesia.
Oh.
Yun na yung pinakalabas namin.
ng bahay.
Yeah.
Konting pagtitika
Konti.
lang ho. And of course, no? Was that 2 weeks ago? Today's April 21. Pacquiao's fight.
Of course, yeah.
April 12. Actually, may kopya pa ako nung April 14 natin. Congratulations. Palakpakan naman dyan for Manny Pacquiao. Our people's champ, sabi nga dito, the legend lives on. Talagang a lot of people are actually saying na yan, andun pa rin naman ang galing at tikas ni Manny Pacquiao.
And finally, against Bradley, diba?
Oo, napansin natin.
As it should be.
Tama.
As it should be.
Proven na talagang yung first fight nila, sabi nga nila, talaga naman para kay Pacman yun.
Yep.
But then again, yes, for the second time around,
Official
official
na.
na, talagang kay Pacman yun.
Unanimously.
Naalala ko lang tuloy si Mami Janisha, no? 2 weeks ago, talagang everyone was talking about her. Napanood ko rin yun, at nakikita ko yung paghawak niya at pagtuturo-turo niya, no? Tapos sinabayan pa ng isa niyang guesting sa isang TV show wherein she was actually asked to sing Wrecking Ball. Anyway, balik tayo dito kay Pacman. Siyempre, isa sa mga nag-pray, no? At siyempre, sinabi rin na sana manalo siya for this fight is BIR Commissioner Kim Henares. I think it was shown in one of the news prior to the fight. At sabi niya, siyempre, nagdadasal din siya para manalo si Pacquiao. Kaya lang, ang problema ngayon is a lot of people after the fight, actually, hindi sinasabing the next big fight daw is against Mayweather or against Marquez. Pero sinasabi nila, the next big fight is against
Kim
Henares. Alan, magkano ba ang hinahabol ngayon ni Commissioner Henares for this fight natin?
Very timely rin kasi, no? Kasi April 15 yung
Deadline, which is
filing
last
of
week
taxes.
also.
So, yun, medyo, ano lang kumbaga a few days after lang yun ang fight ni Pacquiao.
Tama,
Diba?
talagang 12 was the Sunday,
Yeah.
tapos 3 days after, talagang deadline na. So, magkano yung hinahabol sa
Sabi
ating
ni
Pacman?
Kim Henares, 2.56 billion with a B,
That's in pesos naman.
in pesos, yes. So that's, kumbaga, yung may back taxes pa way back 2009.
Okay.
And yung in-estimate nila na magiging tax ni Pacquiao on the most recent Bradley fight.
You mean to say yung 2.6 na yun, hindi lang dito sa fight na to?
No.
Bumalik pa sila doon sa hindi pa niya
Yes.
nabayaran.
Yes.
Pero magkano nga kayo yung tax na dito sa Bradley fight? Alam ko, inabangan din nila. But we'll get the information siguro para sa inyo. Okay, deadline was April 15. The fight was April 12. Kung hindi na i-file yan ng April 15, may chance pa ba makapag-file si Pacman?
Siyempre. Meron siyang, well, we have something you call, of course, for anyone who will be filing late.
Okay,
Diba?
late filing.
Yeah,
Pwede.
may late filing, so may penalty of 20%.
20%.
20%.
Wow.
For any annual late filing. So if that's 1 year na late ka, that's 20% penalty.
Okay, wow.
And then may surcharges pa along the way. So
Magkano mga surcharge? Abot
sabi
din
mga
mga
25%.
means to say mga around 45%
Mga
kapag
ganun.
hindi ka nakapag-file sa April 15. Well guys, I hope you did, no? Especially ang ating mga financial advisors or also earning dito sa ating industry wherein you are reminded also sana you have filed your tax last April 15 yung ITR ninyo. Yun nga, kapag hindi ka nakapag-file, meron tayong penalty of around 20 plus 25%.
25.
So once again, Alan, thank you for that
Okay.
information.
Thank you,
Congratulations to Pacman. And pwede ba rin ba natin sabihin congratulations to BIR Commissioner Kim Henares?
Oh yeah. Especially if Pacman pays.
Yes! Congratulations to the Philippine Republic. And guys, that is our Buzz of the Week. Alright, welcome back to the second episode for our season 2 here in Pioneer Hangout. Alan,
Yeah.
may special guest tayo. Talagang
Yeah.
sinabi nga
Super
namin
special.
super special
Yeah.
guest. Sinabi ho namin sa inyo na starting on the second season, we'll have a number of employees and financial advisors guesting in our show. And with us for the very first time. Kaya tagal natin niligawan to para na mapa-oo dito sa episode, di ba? Last season, 6 na episodes. Wala. Ngayon talaga. Kasi naman may dala-dala siyang
Nahiyaan ko.
balita para sa inyo. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin Miss Tina Abulo Acuña.
Good morning! Tama ba?
Oo.
Good morning!
Bagong
Oh, di
gising.
pa naman
Oo.
afternoon.
Oo, ito naman bagong
Grabe.
gising. So, Tina.
Sa sales nga pala, good morning lagi. Yes!
Nakabawi. Oo.
Oh.
So, kamusta? Kamusta naman na anong magandang balita na ibibigay mo sa amin ngayong umagang ito para sa ating mga financial advisors?
May good news, bad news eh.
Good news and
Yes.
bad news.
Ano gusto mo?
Ano gusto mo na yun?
Gusto ko muna, syempre, yung bad news.
Bad news? Para sa lagay nito, parang feeling ko gusto ko na yun ng good news.
Ay, makikinig ako sa'yo.
sige,
Makikinig
sige.
ako sa'yo, Mike.
Sa ibang konteksto siguro, pwede yung bad news.
Bad
Pero
news.
is this
Good
good
news.
news? Good news muna tayo. Ano good news natin, Tina?
Our first Dollar Pro policy came from Mr. Sherwin Yu of Chinatown Jindugan branch.
Wow!
Congratulations for helping us out.
He was featured in our mirror,
Yes.
no? For being the
Le-
first financial advisor to submit an investment
Yes.
for our Dollar Pro.
So last week
Ayan.
na out na tong issue na to. So
Weeks ago, last
Last
week
week
ba?
na,
Last
last
week lang
week.
pinalabas
Yes.
ang issue na to. Wow,
So,
congratulations,
congratulations.
Sherwin. It pays to be always the first, no? Kasi
Oo.
ikaw ang mafe-feature dito sa ating mirror.
Mirror.
Just like our previous products kung saan, kung first ikaw nagbibigay ng bagong pinakaunang investment, mag-feature ko kayo sa mirror. So, we're done with that.
good
Good
news.
news.
Good
Ikaw naman
news.
pagbibigyan ko. Ang
Sige.
bad news,
Ano yung bad news?
Okay.
Bad news ba yan?
yes,
Bad
bad
news
news
ba
ko.
matatawag
Kasi
yan?
until April 25 na lang yung natin, product natin. So,
Yung Dollar Pro.
Yes, until April 25 na lang. So, ligaw na agad. Ligaw.
Di ba
Ang
sabi
mga
mo mag-i-invest ka
kliyente.
pa ng dollar?
Meron lang ako $100.
$100? Pwede ba yun? The
Wala.
minimum is-
Kasi minimum natin is
10,000.
10,000 US
Yes.
dollars.
Yeah.
Teka lang, hanggang April 25 na
25.
lang, 21.
Mhm.
Friday?
Yes,
Friday.
this coming
Kaya
Friday
pa.
na. This coming Friday. As
Okay.
in,
Okay.
walang extension, Mike. Wala.
Walang
umasa.
extension.
Wala nga.
Wala.
Talagang
talaga.
nakita mo yung kilay ni
Okay.
Tina pagkasabi niya ng
Wala.
walang extension, walang
Pero kunyari,
extension.
meron akong equivalent amount in pesos.
Hindi rin pwede. Para kang ano.
In pesos?
In pesos.
Dollar.
As
nga
you mean
eh.
to say, may pera ka ba? Magkano bang 450?
450.
Oh, sabihin na 500,000 US dollars. Pesos.
Pesos.
Gusto mo invest? Tina, ang tamang sagot ay
Malas.
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 Oo.
So, kailangan ko muna bumili talaga ng dollar.
Yes.
At ibigay sa...
Hindi. Actually, we don't advise that. It's not practical.
Oh,
kasi-
reminder sa lahat ng financial advisors.
It's not practical
okay.
kasi kapag nagpapalit ka ngayon, tapos ginarantee naman namin sa yung capital, pag binayaran na sa'yo after 5 years, we don't know what will happen to dollar exchange.
Exactly.
So may risk pa pati yun. Ginarantee nga namin sa'yo yung capital, pero hindi namin kayang i-guarantee yung conversion.
Yan. And most of our agents are aware of the fact na talagang itong Dollar Pro natin is for dollar denominated lang talaga.
So ang in-encourage
Okay.
talaga namin dyan, yung may mga extra dollars dyan. So meron.
Yan.
Pag ano yung kaya natin mga
Konti na
dollars
lang,
natin.
sayang.
Hindi, pag
Sayang.
samasamahin kaya natin, baka umabot, no?
Hindi rin. Merong $1 sa
So,
wallet.
Mark, pero explain ko pa further.
Okay.
Bakit natin gustong wala talagang extension yung...
Why are we not extending it to April 26?
Yes. Kasi, ang concept nito is sabay-sabay natin siyang ipapa-issue on May 2.
Yes.
Kaya hindi talaga
May 2
pwede.
is the issuance
yes,
already.
Oo. Lahat yung policies na na-receive natin. So, kaya talagang hindi pwedeng ma-extend.
Ma-extend.
So,
Okay.
April 25 po talaga.
So, pare, may
4 days
pang-
pa. 4 days
4
pa.
days?
Yep.
4 days.
4 days more for the deadline of our
Sige po.
Dollar Pro until April 25th. And of course, alam na ating lahat na ang issuance nito is on May 2nd, no?
Yes.
And pag-uusapan natin yung issuance na yun probably in our future episodes. Tina, maraming salamat
Thank you.
for
Thank you
joining
po.
us. We hope to see her more.
Hindi na.
Laging behind the
Season
scenes.
Sanay
ito,
ako
eh.
sa ano
Oo,
lang.
Laging
diba?
behind the scenes.
Doon lang.
Dapat medyo...
This time, makakasama namin siya on a regular basis dito sa ating Season 2 ng Pioneer Hangout. Okay, so anything more? Any
Wala
reminders
na,
from financial
please.
advisors?
Nag-iinit na ako dito. Sige na.
Umaga, nag-iinit siya. Maraming salamat po sa panunood ninyo sa ating episode 2. Dito lamang sa ating season 2 ng Pioneer Hangout. My name is Mark Cabrera.
I'm Alan.
Abaka. And I'm Tina Acuña.
Okay.
And this is Pioneer Hangout.